If you are wondering how long does the battery last on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then let me quickly elaborate. So if we consider a typical day-to-day usage of OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then approximately the battery time is going to be somewhere around 17 hours. Of course, whatever you do with your phone has an impact on the battery. For example, if you use it just for calls, you can get even up to 36 hours of the battery. If you just use your phone for browsing the internet, it can last 14 hours and 15 minutes. For videos, if you just watch videos on your phone, you can get almost 23 hours. And if you just play games and nothing else, you can get approximately 10 hours of the battery. So you can get the idea that you get the point that, of course, whatever you do and how often you do that on your phone, it has an impact on how long the battery is going to last. Of course, also things like, for example, some display settings and battery settings and some apps that might be running in the background also have an impact on how long the battery lasts. So you have to keep that in mind that in your case, the battery time might be, of course, shorter or it might be longer. But if we consider like a typical daily usage, as I mentioned, a little bit of calling, a little bit of browsing the internet, a little bit of watching videos, and maybe a bit of playing games, then approximately you should get those 17 hours before you will have to charge your battery again. Leave a like and subscribe.